Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python basics. First, let's understand why Python is so popular. It's incredibly versatile, used for everything from building websites to analyzing complex data and automating tasks. To begin, you'll need to install Python, ideally version 3.8 or newer, and a good code editor like VS Code. This setup will provide the perfect environment for your coding journey, making it easy to write and test your first programs. Next, we'll dive into the core concepts that form the backbone of Python programming. You'll learn about control flow, using if-else statements to make decisions and while loops to repeat actions. We'll also cover essential data structures such as lists, which are ordered collections, and dictionaries, which store key-value pairs. The best way to master these is by actively writing small programs, perhaps 10 to 15 lines each, applying what you've learned. Now, let's talk about functions and modules, crucial elements for writing efficient and organized code. Functions allow you to group related statements into a reusable block, making your programs cleaner and easier to manage. You'll learn to define your own functions and call them whenever needed. Additionally, we'll explore how to leverage Python's vast ecosystem by importing modules, which are essentially pre-written code libraries, to add powerful functionalities with just a few lines. Finally, to truly solidify your Python knowledge, it's essential to keep practicing and exploring. Start working on small projects, perhaps building a simple calculator or a text-based game, to apply everything you've learned. Don't hesitate to consult online documentation and join coding communities. They offer invaluable support and learning opportunities. As you progress, you might consider delving into more advanced topics like object-oriented programming or popular web frameworks such as Flask or Django.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.